Well, I've been out with a knee injury most of this week, pretty much all this week. Had to go get checked out and make sure it wasn't a blood clot. There wasn't. But I haven't been able to do an update. And let me show you what the pond looks like. It's still siphoning out from the first time using that vacuum to get it going. It is way, way down. I just now pushed my bucket out there with that big old stick leaning up over there. I'm probably gonna run out of usable hose. I don't know for how long my pipe is gonna be below the water level where I've got it run over into the field. I might be able to change it to another area. We'll see. And I've said for some time, told my neighbor I didn't think there were many fish, if any, left in here. But just a couple of weeks ago, a friend stopped by and he put 5 nice bass in here. I just saw one little wave run through the water. So I may have to get our little boat out and a dip net at some point, or get some waders on and go out and collect fish. And I just hope through all this effort that I can find what is causing the pond to leak, because I just do not want to give up on getting this thing to quit leaking. I've never seen it completely full, and I don't know if you can tell, but it would actually be pretty deep. Probably in the neighborhood of 10 feet. So anyhow, that's the only update I got for you. Gonna try to head back to work tomorrow.